My channel. In today's tutorial, we will talk about the short key of MS Word. As you know, there is a lot of short keys in MS Word. In today's class, we will discuss some of them. So stay with us. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss update. So let's start the class. Font formatting Microsoft hotkeys. If you want to change the font format for this purpose, to open the properties of font, just Ctrl plus D. A window will open. In this window you will see properties about font. So you can select from here font style and font style, size, etc. Click on the size, click on all, just click OK. This is the first property in which we use for the font styling and formatting. To this, just select your document, Ctrl plus A, and then press Ctrl plus B. The whole document will be converted to bold. If you want to change the font format to italic, just Ctrl plus I. The whole paragraph, the whole document will convert to italic style. If you want to give a line to your paragraph, just for this purpose, Ctrl plus U. All the paragraph will be underlined according to your need. There is another key if you want to underline each word of your document. For this purpose, just select your document text and press Ctrl Shift plus U. All the text will be underlined. If you want to give double line to your document, just click on double line. It will be changed to double line. If you want to give a fat line, it will be changed. If you want to give a specific color to your line, just click from here and the line color will be changed according to your need. So, in today's class, we will learn about how the format short keys work. For this purpose, you learn simple short keys of font formatting. Now repeat the same lesson again. If you want to convert your document to bold, just Ctrl plus B. If you want to convert this font type or font style to italic, Ctrl plus I. If you want to underline your paragraph, just Ctrl plus U. This is the short keys used for the document styling, document formatting. If you want to undo your action, just press Ctrl plus Z, and pressing the document will be reversible to default style. Okay. If you want to forward your function or action, just Ctrl plus Y. The whole document will be go to the last stage you apply on your document. Okay. I hope you will learn from this class much more. If you are interested like this tutorial, please give a suggestion, give a comment in the comment section. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss update. Thanks for watching.